Hi, this is Matthew Park with the YLOC. This is a preview video for the 7th grade Lesson 3 worksheet. Let's get started. Question 1. The quantities in the table above are in a proportional relationship. How many legs does the spider have? Well, this is a proportion, right? So we can look at the first row, or like the first row of values in the table. We see that 3 spiders have a combined total of 24 legs. And we want to know how many legs one spider will have. Well, again, these are proportions, so they must be equal. So to get from the 3 to the 1, we can divide by 3, and thus we must divide the bottom by 3 as well. We get 8 legs. One spider will have 8 legs. Another way to think about this is that all we did was that we made a fraction out of the values of the table, 3 over 24, and we just simplified it to 1 over 8 by dividing the numerator and denominator by 3. So we now know that one spider has 8 legs. Therefore, the answer for number 1 is D. We can try 3. What is the missing value in the second row? We want to find whatever that value will be. Well, we know that we have 5 spiders. Sorry, wrong place. We know that we have 5 spiders. And in problem 1, we found out that one spider has 8 legs. Well, if one spider has 8 legs, therefore we can divide 5 spiders by 8 to get 40 legs. If one spider has 8 legs, 5 spiders will have 40 legs. Again, this is just a proportion. Therefore, our answer will be C. Moving on. We have a bunch of proportion problems for the next couple. We can preview, say, let's do 5. We see that 4 packs of soda have 24 bottles. 4 packs of soda contain 24 bottles. Well, again, this is just another proportion. We want to find out how many bottles are there in a pack. So basically, how many bottles are in one pack. Again, these are just proportions, so they must be equal to each other. To get from the 4 to the 1, we divide by 4. Therefore, we must divide the bottom by 4. So we get 6 bottles in one pack. Our answer will be B. And to further check this, if one pack has 6 bottles, right? They tell us that 6 packs of soda contain 36 bottles. 6 packs, and we know that for every pack there are 6 bottles. That gets us 36 bottles, which matches up to the information they give us right there. So that's just another way to check your proportions. These are all just the general same proportion problems. Basically just set up proportions, simplify them, and all that. Over here, we can try number 2. Identify and correct the order in evaluating the expression. Well, we have PEMDAS. Remember, these are the order in which you do operations when doing math. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So over here, we needed to do the exponent first before we multiplied, which they did in the second step. They multiplied before doing the exponent, which is incorrect. So what we do instead is that we simplify this exponent, which is just 6 times 6, or 36, to get 20 minus 1/2 times 36. We multiply before we subtract to get 20 minus 18, and that will just be 2. There we go. Remember to follow your order of operations. For these, you just want to plug in the value of the letter they give you. So say for number 1, 4n minus 12. Well, they tell us that n will be 7. Therefore, we just plug in 7 for n to get 28 minus 12, and that's just 16. You do the same exact thing for the rest of these. Just plug in the number for the letter they give you. And we can finish up with one word problem. The rental cost for a campsite, let's do number 4, is $25 plus $2 per person. Write an expression for the total cost, then find the total cost for 5 people. Well, we can say that X will be the number of people camping. And we know that it's $2 for every person, right? Therefore, we can just say Y equals 2X. For every one person, it'll cost $2. And there's this flat fee of 25 bucks. So we just add up 25 to the end. This is our expression. And they want us to find the total cost for 5 people. Or in other words, when X equals 5. We just plug in 5 for X. You get 10 plus 25. And it's just a simple $35. You can try the rest on your own, but I hope this was helpful.